Hey, we're here in the kitchen with my friend Annabelle and Felix, and we're going to be doing a little bit of food play and food exploration so that I can walk you through my philosophy of the 3 E's. Do you remember what they are? Expose, explore, expand. And what that means is, first we start with exposure, especially when it comes to vegetables. So the kids might go grocery shopping with you or have a garden together or play in a little bit of food. And Annabelle and I made a yellow brick road. And we've got our Oz characters here. We've got Glinda the Good Witch. Do you remember who this is right here? Who is that? Is it the Scarecrow?
No.
No, not the Scarecrow. Is it the lion?
No.
Who is it? I think it's Dorothy. It is Dorothy. And you know, Annabelle is just beginning to learn about getting messy with food and really enjoying interacting with food. So we've got her all set up with some tall characters from The Wizard of Oz that she can play with and not necessarily get messy right away. And then as she becomes more comfortable with food, you'll see that she'll get a little bit more messy and she might even lick something off those ruby slippers. We'll see. You want to make her go down the yellow brick road? There she goes. Follow the yellow brick road. There she goes. Look at that. Wow. Whoa, she's got some sweet potato on her ruby slippers. Look at that. You can keep playing with her for a little bit, and I'm going to talk to Felix over here. Hey, Felix, should we show him what we can do? All right. So Felix and I made a sweet potato bar. Would you go ahead and come up a little bit, sweetheart, so you can see all the ingredients. And Felix and I were decorating those.
I think we forgot the doggy.
Annabelle just said we forgot Toto. I'll find Toto for you in a second, okay? I love that. All righty. So we are creating a sweet potato bar, and we've been decorating, and Felix chose, what did you decide to put on this one? Spinach, yeah, and some cranberries, which I thought was a great combination. And we've got some other things here. We've got chocolate chips. Do you want to try a few of those on this one over here? Go ahead. And we've got, do you want to do nuts or do you want to do cauliflower? Nuts. Give it a little crunch. You know, if you set up a sweet potato bar in your family's home, you might make one kid the master sweet potato maker, and he can be in charge of dishing up all the different toppings onto everybody's sweet potato. And what happens then is that a little kiddo like Felix, who maybe isn't quite ready to touch cauliflower because he's putting cauliflower on top of mommy's sweet potato, now he's interacting with cauliflower. Annabelle, I've lost you. Here she is. You got it. Oh, looks like she's gone off the yellow brick road. The most important thing is to keep it fun. So expose, explore with very simple recipes like a potato bar, and then expand onto fancier recipes. If you get my new book, Adventures in Veggieland, you'll find that there are over 20 different vegetables, and each one includes recipe for every stage of the 3 E's, plus a dessert. Every single vegetable has a veggie dessert. Thanks so much, everybody. Let's say goodbye, okay, guys?
Goodbye.
Goodbye.